Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring the most magical spots in Wales and see if I can capture the true essence of this incredible place. From the rugged mountains to the scenic coastlines, Wales is a nature lover's paradise. But it's not just about the scenery. The Welsh culture is steeped in history, mythology, and legend. As I delve deeper into this enchanting country, I'm excited to share with you the hidden gems, the local secrets, and the untold stories that make Wales truly unique. Whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a relaxing getaway, Wales has something for everyone. Get ready to embark on a journey that will take you through the rolling hills, picturesque villages, and bustling cities of Wales. From the mystical mountains of Snowdonia to the scenic coastline of Pembrokeshire, Wales is a nature lover's dream. Wales is often called the land of castles, and for good reason. Our next stop is Caerphilly Castle, the largest in Wales and second largest in Britain after Windsor. Further north we find Caernarfon Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its polygonal towers and intimidating curtain walls were designed not just for defense, but to evoke the walls of Constantinople, showcasing the power and prestige of its builder, Edward I. From man-made marvels, we turn to nature's masterpieces. The Brecon Beacons National Park offers a landscape of rolling hills, hidden waterfalls, and wide-open skies. But the true giant of Welsh mountains is Snowdon, the crown jewel of Snowdonia National Park. At 1,085 meters, it's the highest point in Wales and England. Wales isn't just about mountains and castles. The coastline offers its own unique charm. Take Tenby, for instance, a postcard-perfect town on the Pembrokeshire coast. With its pastel-coloured houses, golden beaches and boat-filled harbour, Tenby epitomizes the Welsh seaside experience. Further west, the Gower Peninsula stretches out into the Bristol Channel. Here, Rhossili Bay, with its 3 miles of golden sand, has been voted one of the best beaches in the world. Welsh ingenuity isn't limited to castles. The Pont Silt Aqueduct, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a masterpiece of civil engineering from the Industrial Revolution. This stream in the sky carries narrow boats 126 feet above the River Dee, offering passengers breathtaking views and a unique travel experience. Equally impressive is the Menai Suspension Bridge connecting the mainland to the Isle of Anglesey. When it opened in 1826, it was the world's first modern suspension bridge. For those seeking tranquility, Pistil Rhaeadr in Powys offers a moment of zen. This 240-foot waterfall is one of the highest in Wales and a sight to behold. In summary, Wales offers an incredible blend of culture, beauty and adventure, making it a must-visit destination for any traveller. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and comment below with your favourite Welsh experience. And don't forget to check out our next travel adventure.